special problem for you all. So what are we going to do here is you have 2 to the power of 3 to the power of 4 to the power of 0. Whenever you have power to powers like this, we're just going to put the brackets here on the powers and then solve for it. So here we have 4 to the power of 0. Anything to the power of 0 is 1. So 3 to the power of 1 plus 2 to the power of 0 to the power of anything is 0. So 3 to the power of 0 plus 2 to the power of 0 to the power of 3 to the power of 4 is 81. Now what do we have? 3 to the power of 1, that's 2 to the power of 3 plus 3 to the power of 0. Anything to the power of 0 is 1. So we have 2 to the power of 1 plus 0 to the power of anything is 0. So here we have 2 to the power of 3 plus 2 to the power of 1 plus anything to the power of 0 is again 1. 2 cube is 8 plus 2 plus 1. That's 11, and that's your answer.